As you might have seen in the thumbnail of the video, in this video we're going to take a look at some of the life-changing tricks that you can try on your Android smartphone. So sit back, relax and watch this video till the end because it's gonna be interesting. Alright, so let's get straight into the first trick. So some of you might read a lot of articles on your smartphone, and sometimes when the articles are too long, your eyes start to get strained. But this trick will help you to listen to those articles while your eyes are straining. So it's a very helpful trick with which you can read any article in any language, no matter what. So this trick doesn't need any help of a third-party application or a website. It is simple with an Android smartphone that has a Google Assistant. So all you need to do is to open the article that you want to listen to and just call your Google Assistant and start saying read the article loud. So as soon as you say that, the Google Assistant will start narrating the article to you or reading the article to you loud, and you can also play and pause the narration. You can also change the speed of the narration, and guess what, you can also manually trigger from where you want to listen to that article. So this is a really helpful trick for those of you who are very bored in reading articles by using your eyes just scrolling over and over. Instead, if you use this trick, it will be very helpful to read and listen to an article that's quite interesting but boring to read manually. So with the next trick, you can convert any MP4 file on your smartphone to MP3 with just a few clicks, and guess what, you don't need to use any third-party applications or any website of that sort. So all you need to do is to go to your file manager and locate the MP4 file that you need to convert to MP3. Now keep in mind that while you convert your MP4 video to MP3, your original MP3 video will be lost. You can take a copy of that and paste it somewhere else in your file manager, but with the original file you can easily convert it with a few clicks. How? Well, it's so simple. Just tap and hold on the MP4 video and choose rename. Now what you need to do is to change the extension from MP4 to MP3 and just save it. Your MP4 file is converted to MP3 without using any third-party applications or website. So the next trick is for people who use a lot of tabs on your Chrome browser in your smartphone, and usually we access the Chrome browser manager in order to switch between tabs. But with this trick, you can easily hover over all the tabs that you're actively working on. It's very simple. All you need to do is to go to your Chrome and just open a few tabs that you need to actively work on. And then if you swipe on the URL box from left to right or right to left, you can easily hover between all the tabs that you're working instead of going to the tab manager, accessing it and choosing the tab that you need to access. It's a really simple trick but very useful and handy to use. Alright, so if you've come this far watching this video, then don't forget to drop a like for this video for the efforts taken to make this video possible, and also share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to motivate us to make better content for you guys, and do press the bell icon to get all the notifications of our upcoming videos. So the next trick is for people who are really annoyed of the ad shown on your smartphone while you read articles or while you use any third-party applications. This is a very underrated trick that most of you don't know, but is very useful to get rid of all the ads. And by the way, this trick doesn't require any third-party application of that sort to get rid of all the ads, so don't worry, watch this video till the end. Alright, so all you need to do is to go to your smartphone settings and search for private DNS. Now after searching for it, just set the private DNS to dns.adguard.com. Now what this does is to set the DNS server to default adguard.com, which actually blocks all the ads that come in Chrome and also in some third-party applications. Like for example, there are some third-party applications in which if you want to access a particular feature, you have to watch an ad. So using this trick, you can skip all those ads and just enjoy using your smartphone without any ads. Alright, so the last and final trick is for people who are really cared about privacy in your gallery application, because your phone might be juggled in between your friends and family who doesn't need to see some photos and videos that's there in your gallery. So this trick will help you hide all the photos and videos that other people shouldn't see, and this is without any usage of third-party applications or website. So all you need to do is to go to your file manager, and again this trick is somewhat similar to the trick where we converted the MP4 file to MP3, but yeah, there are some differences here. So basically photos are saved in multiple formats like JPEG, PNG, etc. and videos are saved in multiple formats like MP4, MOV, etc. So just because of all these formats, your gallery application or photos will understand that okay, that is a video and that is a photo. So all you need to do is to go to that particular photo that you need to erase from your photos or gallery application without deleting that particular file. So what you need to do is to tap and hold on that particular file and rename the file's extension from MP4 or PNG or JPEG to something random. Now what this does is to change the extension of that particular file, making the photos and gallery app difficult to read that particular file, so that that file will be vanished from your photos and gallery application. And always keep in mind the name of the file that you have changed, or else you will end up losing that file. Instead, you can transfer all all that particular files that you need to hide onto a separate folder and then rename the extension so that your files won't be lost and also won't be visible on your gallery or photos application. So there you have it. These are some of the life-changing hacks that you can try on your Android smartphone, and let me know your favorite one in the comment section below. And as always, if you appreciate our efforts in making these kind of videos, then drop a like to this video, share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because most of you who see my video doesn't subscribe. So just please subscribe to us and help motivate us to create better and better content, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications of our upcoming videos. So yeah, this is me Arnav signing off from the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.